digital access in the form of keyboards. All of these devices are brought to you by Missouri Assistive Technology. First up, we have the Clever Keyboard. It's bright, colorful, super fun to use, with large keys that make it perfect for kids, beginners, or someone who might have visual impairments. Next, the adjustable keyboard. This one's great for comfort, and you can adjust the angle to keep your hands in natural position, reducing wrist strain for long hours of typing. And check out the high visibility keyboard. With bold, big keys, it's designed for easy visibility, making it perfect for those with low vision. If you want to learn more and try out these cool gadgets, please visit our demo site located at Lamp Campus, 1801 Linwood Boulevard in Kansas City, Missouri. Come by, check us out.